for anyone tired of waiting months for prototype boards from assembly shops, there's now shortcut the Opal Lumen. TNPB4 is a desktop pick-and-place machine designed to mount components on printed circuit boards. It works with boards up to 390 by 210 millimeters and can place passive components as small as 0.4, 0.2 and ICS with pitches down to 0.4 millimeters. Thanks to linear rails on every axis, it reaches speeds of 15 components per hour. The system has two HD cameras for visual calibration and pressure sensors to monitor vacuum. It supports continuous tape, feeding in widths of 8 and 12 millimeters, and can handle components weighing up to 25 grams and as tall as 20 millimeters. The maximum power draw is 140 watts. With a voltage range of 100 to 240 volts, this machine costs $1,995. Jerky sells for 20 times the price of fresh meat. And fruit chips are a gold mine for anyone who knows the trade. The Oski Food Dehydrator is a commercial-grade unit with 12 trays for drying food. Each tray measures 40 by 40 cm, offering plenty of space for large batches with 12 watts of power. It finishes the job in 24 hours instead of the usual 48. The digital control panel lets you set the timer from 30 minutes up to 24 hours in half-hour increments. Temperature can be adjusted between 21 and 88 degrees Celsius to suit different foods. The body is made of food-grade 3.0 for stainless steel with a glass door, so that you can keep an eye on the process. A horizontal airflow system ensures even heat distribution across all trays. Noise stays below 50 decibels, making it quiet enough for round-the-clock use. This dehydrator sells for $256. Jewelry shops charge hundreds of dollars for engravings that only take a few minutes to make. The Orca R2 is a laser engraver with a 1060 Newton-meter infrared module. Designed for metals and other materials, it's built for jewelry work, handling gold, silver, platinum, and copper with precision. The work area measures 300 by 210 millimeters. An HD camera provides accurate positioning with live previews while built-in AI algorithms automatically generate designs optimized for engraving. The fold-out touchscreen is angled for comfortable viewing, and a flame detection system instantly cuts power. If overheating occurs, its plug-and-play setup means no complicated installation. The price is $980. Tell us in the comments what you'd engrave first. Maybe personalized wedding rings could become your business niche. Honey from your own apiary sells for triple the price of store-bought. And the bees do the work for free. The Bee Castle is a complete Langstroth hive set with a wax coating built for professional beekeeping. The wax finish makes the hive waterproof and long-lasting without the need for paint. Pre-cut dovetail joints with drilled holes make assembly straightforward. The body is made of cedar for durability, while the frames are crafted from pine. The deep boxes measure 41 by 50 by 24 cm. The starter kit comes with a metal cover, inner cover queen excluder, bottom bore entrance reducer, mouse guard 1 medium box, 2 deep boxes and 30 pre-waxed frames. Farmers sell honey by the bucket, but the savvy ones put it in pretty jars and charge 3 times as much. The Vever honey filling machine is a digital controlled automatic filler made for thick liquids. A 120-watt pump delivers up to 2 liters per minute, and the system automatically subtracts the container's weight and stops once the target volume is reached. It can handle 360 bottles of 500 grams each per hour. All components are made from food-grade materials to keep the product safe, and the Q-3 the housing resists corrosion while being easy to clean. The adjustable stand fits containers of different heights, and the inlet and outlet hoses are detached for quick rinsing. The price is surprisingly low, just $90. Honey sticks at farmers markets go for $1 a piece, even though they only cost pennies to make. Anthony's Beehive Honey Stick Machine is built to turn honey into a value-added product. It fills 40 sticks at once, each holding 5 milliliters. The silicone seals in every slot keep things airtight during filling. The machine works not only with honey, but also with syrup, sauces, creams, and other thick liquids. The kit comes with 1,000 plastic tubes so that you can start producing right away. With an option to switch to biodegradable sugar cane tubes, it's simple enough to use that even kids can learn quickly. The unit measures 61 by 61 by 46 cm and weighs just half a kilo. Handmade candles sell for 10 times the price of factory ones, especially if you know how to market them. The VTS Max Ox Melter is a professional-grade unit built for producing candles in bulk. It holds enough wax to make 48 candles at once, 113 grams each. The upgraded heating plate with a new insulation layer melts wax faster and more evenly. A clog prevention system with a heated spout and PPT lid keeps wax from solidifying mid-process. The temperature is fully adjustable to suit different types of wax. 3 color indicators clearly show the melting status, while the non-stick coating makes it easy to wipe the container clean with a dry cloth. The overheat protection ensures safe operation too. The kit comes with 100 wicks, 3 molds, and 4 holders. Handmade pottery is sold as art, yet anyone can pick it up in just a week. The Insnud Pottery Wheel is a compact wheel designed for home use and learning. It measures 36 by 25 by 10 centimeters and comes with a 15 centimeter metal turntable. The speed is adjustable to suit different stages of shaping clay, and the 2-button controls let it spin in either direction. Noise levels stay around 60 decibels. Quiet enough for home use. A removable 25 centimeter tray helps keep clay splatter under control. The kit includes 1 kilogram of air dry clay, 5 carving tools, a cutting wire, a sponge, 12 paints, and 2 brushes. And it only costs $68. Companies pay dozens of dollars for a badge that takes only seconds to print. The IDP Smart 1S is a professional printer for plastic cards and ID badges. It produces up to 156 full-color cards per hour, with resolutions ranging from 300 to 12 dpi. Fine Image Technology delivers edge-to-edge printing with a palette of 16.7 million colors, while the monochrome mode boosts output to 600 cards per hour. The printer measures 17 by 25 by 30 cm, making it compact enough for a desktop. Operation is simple, with a single lead button as the control panel. The starter kit includes a YMCA ribbon for 100 prints, 100 PVC cards, iDesigner software, and drivers for Windows 10 and 11. It's available for $630. stadiums make millions of nachos, where the cheese costs more than the chips. The Once Joint Nacho Cheese Dispenser is a commercial-grade warmer and dispenser with a 2.8-liter capacity. A single fill serves 200 to 250 portions. The pump delivers between 1 and 30 milliliters of sauce per press with a 360-degree swivel. For easy use, 5 heating modes let you set the temperature anywhere from 30 to 90 degrees Celsius using a rotary dial. The timer can be programmed from 1 to 600 seconds with auto shut-off. The body is made of food-grade stainless steel with reinforced insulation, and it runs at 308 watts on 110 volts. It can be yours for $140. The smell of cotton candy pulls in a crowd faster than any ad, and each serving costs just a few cents to make. The Vivo Cotton Candy Machine makes cotton candy at a professional pace of 6 servings per minute. Its 1,000-watt heating system lets you adjust the temperature anywhere from 65 to 245 degrees Celsius. The oversized bowl allows for an hour of non-stop operation without clogging or stalling. The machine works with classic floss sugar, milk sugar, fruit cubes, or even hard candies. ETLC certification ensures it's safe to use. The kit comes with a stick holder, sugar scoop, and a spare fuse. Its compact size makes it perfect for countertop use at carnivals and festivals. The price is $139. If you found this selection of business machines useful, give it a like. It'll help more entrepreneurs discover the right tool to boost their earnings. In many parts of Asia, a glass of sugar cane juice sells for more than a Coke, while the cost of making it is just pennies. This manual sugar cane juicer is a hand-powered press that works without electricity. Three steel rollers deliver up to 50 kilograms of juice per hour. The 6.3 centimeters feed opening takes canes of different sizes, and the gear-driven mechanism extracts juice efficiently with very little effort. A removable stainless steel filter strains out impurities for a cleaner, better-tasting drink. All parts come apart for easy cleaning and upkeep. The machine measures 30 by 40 by 35 centimeters and weighs 28 kilograms. Its compact build makes it suitable for small shops or mobile vendors. Cosmetics in tiny bottles sell for the price of gold, yet filling them only takes seconds. The Kintama 03 Pro is a manual filling machine for liquids and pastes. It handles volumes from 5 to 50 milliliters. The body is made of food-grade 3.0 for stainless steel, and a built-in shelf holds the bottle in place for easier operation. Instead of fiddling with a screw and wrench, you can set the fill volume using a simple scale. The anti-drip function keeps product loss to a minimum. The machine withstands temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for hot fills. The hopper and components are built from food-grade 3.0 for stainless steel, silicone, and PTFE. It comes with 4mm and 8mm nozzles to handle materials of different viscosities, and the price is $106.